Smartphone app activation. To enable the smartphone app, go to the Cloud Services tab and click on Enable. Once enabled, you will find the QR code, which can be enlarged by clicking on it, and Smart ID number generated on screen, which will be required during device registration on the smartphone app. It is recommended to turn off SMS notifications, as this will precede quicker notifications delivery via mobile applications. Enter APN details if required by your GSM operator. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and select which communication channel will be used from the alarm panel to the smartphone app. If the SIM card is used, select via GPRS network. If the LAN module is used and the alarm panel is connected to the LAN network, select via LAN server. Click on Right Settings. On your smartphone, download ELDES Security app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app. Create your account by clicking on Sign Up and entering your email address and password. Account confirmation email will be sent to your email address. Check your mailbox and verify your email address following the link provided in the mail from ELDES Security app. Once the email address is confirmed, log into the app with the same email address and password. Click on Add New Location. Enter location name of where the alarm system is installed. Click on Scan Smart ID and Scan QR Code, which is located in ELDES Utility Cloud Services tab. Alternatively, a device can be registered by entering the Smart ID number manually. Please note that you can enable cloud services on the alarm panel and get Smart ID by SMS message if required. For more details about SMS commands, please download Installation Manual from eldesalarms.com. Enter the SIM card telephone number of the SIM card, which is inserted into the panel, and click on Add. Device registration will start. It can take several minutes depending on the GPRS speed. Select the location. The first time you will be asked to enter the user PIN code. This is the same code which is used for arming and disarming the system over the keypad. Setup of the app is complete now, and the alarm system is ready to be controlled and monitored by the app. Swipe the button to the middle for stay, arming, or all the way to the end for full system arming. Additionally, you can monitor the temperature in the Temperature tab for different areas. If the temperature monitoring is enabled, control any electrical equipment through PGM outputs in the Automation tab, and view all system events in the Notification tab. By clicking on Settings, you can manage system events delivery over push notifications. If arm, disarm push notification is not required, etc., you can simply disable it. If additional app users are required, they can be managed in the Users tab. Click on Users, add new user, enter the new user email address and password and click on Add. An email will be sent to the user explaining how to access the alarm system by app. The system is now complete and the system is ready to be used. For all recommendations and feedback about ELDES Security app, please email us at app@eldesalarms.com.